Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can fix your Roblox audio issue. So if you're playing Roblox and you're not able to hear the audio of the game on the Roblox, what you can do is press the escape key on your keyboard. Once you do that, a little setting will appear over here at the top. Click on setting. Now on setting, make sure your volume is on because sometimes your volume is off like this. And if it is off, then you're not going to hear any audio. So make sure at least one of the boxes colored or make sure to set the volume in a tone where you can hear it properly. Once you do it, click on resume and your problem should be fixed. And over here on output device, make sure the correct output device is selected. Maybe you're not wearing your headphone, but over here your headphones are selected. That means that your audio is being played on your headphone, not on your speaker. That's why you might not be able to hear it. So set it in the thing which you're using. If it is headphone, headphone. If it is speaker, speaker. Choose that and your problem should be fixed. If it's not fixed, then try to change game because sometimes the audio is not available in one game due to the creator of the game not allowing audio. So make sure to go to other games as well and check the audio. Your problem should be fixed by following my step. If it's still not fixed, the audio might be muted on your device. For that, you can check at the bottom. As you guys can see, in my case, my audio is muted. Now what I can do is click on the speaker icon and click on this again, and my audio will start to play again. And if this also didn't work, what you can do is right click on the speaker and click on where it says open volume mixer. From over here, you want to make sure your Roblox volume is at the top. Sometimes the Roblox volume is at the bottom, that's why you're not able to hear anything. Make sure it's at least over here or at the top if you want to hear it more. So that is how you guys can fix your Roblox audio issue. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye until then.